Composable commerce is actually a really cool thing. In 2 sprints or 4 weeks, we were able to actually take a tax service and redeploy it using commercetools. In the old platform, that likely would have taken us 6 months. So my name is Tanbir Grover. I am the Chief Marketing and Digital Officer here at Pet Valu. Pet Valu's mission is to support Canadian pet parents, what we call devoted pet lovers, achieve their pet journey. We have 800 stores in our network, but the website is such an important and critical part of our business, not only in selling products, but also as a marketing tool or as an assist tool. A lot of us go to the website first to see, do we have the product before they make the commitment to drive to the store? Pet Valu embarked on an e-commerce journey late to the game. We did not have a transactional website. We didn't have a lot of digital marketing components built in because we just didn't have that website that could take that traffic and actually redirect it deeper into the website. So as we were learning and going through this platform and seeing what was happening, we're also seeing some of the opportunities we had around scalability. We didn't have that opportunity. We were struggling with how do we actually develop faster. Getting features out took a longer time. We weren't really happy with the stability of the website. So when you're playing catch up, you're really trying to ensure that everything you're doing is at least at industry par. And when we were trying to build those features, it's taking us too long to build features that are industry level par. Can we move to a faster, more scalable solution? How do they create more customer facing features that we can take advantage of to drive our conversion, to drive our sales, to really put Pet Valu at the forefront of what an e-commerce business could be? So we chose commercetools and Google Cloud for a number of reasons. Commercetools for its scalability, its modern platform, its alignment with Mock, and it allowed us to really go ahead and say we could actually use this platform for the future of our business. We knew the underlying or the underpinnings were solid. The idea that you don't have to buy this monolithic solution, but you could buy something and then work around it. And it also meant you could get to market faster as a result. Sometimes when you buy the big all-in-one encompassing solution, it takes much longer for people to learn. It takes longer for you to get into market. And you also are struggling because you have to figure out how all the inner components work. But now you kind of get into a world of composability where you can choose the right partners that fit your size and scale. And that's important for 2 reasons. One, from a total cost of ownership model, but also from a who's the best in market at that moment in time. Deloitte Canada was vital, to the success of the program, because they brought also all the partners together. And if something didn't work or there was a challenge, it was Deloitte Canada that took sort of the quarterback role of let us help you figure it out with commercetools, let us help you figure it out with Google Cloud. We launched this website and we did not see a traffic drop, and we actually saw a conversion lift immediately. With Google Cloud, as well as commercetools combined together as our powerhouse, the number one thing is we've saved total cost of ownership. So our TCO cost is a lot more streamlined and it's a lot less than what we were paying before. Win number 2, we actually have seen a reliability and scalability improvement. So what that comes with is increased traffic, increased repeat traffic, and a higher conversion rate. And the last one, which I think is the most important piece, is the team can develop features and capabilities faster than ever before. And I think that is when you think about where we're trying to go and take the business, how do you actually deliver an omnichannel experience? We're now set up to do that. When I think about where Pet Valu is and where it's going, we have done so much. It is an amazing modernization and transformation journey that we've been on. We want to make sure that we stay connected to our devoted pet lover. We want to make sure that we're the trusted co-pilot that goes along that pet journey. We've got the right products, the right experience, the right delivery mechanism to make it happen in an omnichannel world. And all of that together creates what I love, which is our memorable moments.